Thank you for watching my video. I'm AYANA. Today, I will make chicken breast strips with ume shiso cheese. It's very popular in Japan. We make a cut in chicken breast and cover the fillings, pickled plum and shiso and cheese. It's very refreshing and delicious. The cheese goes well the chicken breast and it's not heavy even though deep fried food. I will show you how to make it easily and make it delicious. Okay, let's get started. Okay, these are ingredients and it's very simple. This is chicken breast strips, and these three ingredients are the fillings of our chicken breast strips. Left is shiso, and in the middle is sliced cheese, and this is our pickled plum. Okay, and it's butter, so rice flour and 1 egg and breadcrumbs. For deep frying, I use rice oil. Okay, that's all. Let's start. Okay, I prepare the chicken breast strips, and next I use a rolling tips. I use rolling pins, and spread the chicken breast strips. It's important to make a space to cover the fillings. So I flat the chicken breast and cover. The cheese is easy to flow out, so it's important. Okay, let's start. それではいただきます。The pickled plum is coming out. Nice. It's so delicious. It's crisp and not thin. Not bread crumble. The breadcrumbs is not heavy. It's thin. It's thin, so delicious. The chicken strips is soft, and so I like it because of the very refreshing pickled plum is so nice. So this dish is good combination with rice. And shiso's flavor is so nice too. And it's enough salty because of cheese, and so especially umeboshi. But you can enjoy dip it in the soy sauce. It's another taste. So, but I recommend a little bit. Okay. When you cook this dish, cover the fillings, and it's important to prevent the fillings from coming out. So I use rolling pins and to spread and flatten. So it's important, so you can cover the fillings easily. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. It makes me happy. Thank you. Bye.